Hello, I built Aether because my files are usually spread across PDF, spreadsheets, screenshots, and notes, etc. A normal product can store them, but it doesn't understand what I'm working on. Aether is a desktop canvas powered by the GPT 5.6 that turns related files into a useful workspace. The main idea is simple. Space is the prompt. Here I have flight ticket, hotel booking, budget, packing, listing, etc. When I drop them onto the canvas, GPT 5.6 reads the files directly, finds the important dates, costs, places, etc., and understand that these files belong to the same Tokyo trip. This workspace isn't fixed either. I can add another related files and more later, and Aether will analyze it, update the connection, and adopt the dashboard automatically. Aether can organize everything and build this trip. This isn't just a summary. I can check my flight details, update my expenses, mark packing item is complete, and explore the places mentioned in my files. I can also hover over a section and see which files provided that information. The files also stay connected to the real version of my computer, and here this is the interesting feature. What I mean is, if I've changed the spreadsheet and save it, Aether notice the change, asks GPT 5.6 to read the updated file and refresh the workspace. So these files are not copied into the Aether and forgotten, they stay alive. I can also ask questions about the whole workspace. Aether answers the question using the information in my files. More importantly, it shows where the answer came from. These animated lines connect the answer to the dashboard sections or files that were used. Aether also save multiple workspaces, watches pinned folders, keep recent files, and support GPT 5.6 different model and reasoning level. Travel is only one example. This same system can build workspace for studying, budgeting, home project, or work, etc. Now here's how I use the Codex CLI and GPT 5.6. This was the first prompt I gave Codex before writing any code. It explained the idea, the design reference, the tag, and how I wanted the whole build documented. Codex helped me build the application, React Canvas, live file watching, and much more. It also helped me debug real problem I found while testing. I still made the main product decision. For example, I decided to add live file sync and visual answer that show their sources, and change the connection from a messy direct graph to something useful. The first plan used separate libraries for PDF, spreadsheet. Later, I decided to replace these with GPT 5.6 native file support. Codex helped rebuild that part of the app and remove the old dependency. I used 5.6 Soul model in Codex for the harder architecture, debugging, and design work, and somehow Terra for faster iteration. I documented the project from the very first prompt. Along the way, I recorded important moments like giving GPT 5.6 major prompts and watching it working. I used the GPT desktop app to help organize those recordings, prompts, decisions, and progress update into clear build story. Judges can explore the full history in the build journey folder. The repository also contains a detailed Codex build log. For every major feature, records what Codex contributed, which decision I made, how we tested the result, where Codex accelerated the work, and how GPT 5.6 powered the product.